Good morning, everybody. How are you all? I hope and I pray to God for your wellness. Cambridge International School Daswa has taken the initiative for e-learning and to reach out every child whose future is really matters for us. Myself, Priya from Cambridge International School Daswa, your political science teacher, and today we are going to read and learn chapter India's External Relation, which we have started earlier. And the topics we will be covering in this video: war and peace with Pakistan. Yes, this is a very short topic, but we will cover only Pakistan. Earlier we have covered China, and today we will cover war and peace with Pakistan. Shall we start? Yes. India's external relation. Before going to further, this is the time for recapitulation. हमारे foreign country के साथ which type of relation that we are keeping with each of us. So earlier we have discussed that after getting independence, there was a newborn independence for us, and it was not easy to have a friendly relation with another countries at that time. At that time and this time, we are having a friendly and somehow you can say a cold war like relation with another countries, as we have discussed in with China earlier. In yesterday's video we have discussed with China. So now major issue are neighboring countries, Pakistan. Yes, everybody knows which kind of relations we are having with Pakistan. Even these days difficulty time, even these days we are not having friendly relation with Pakistan. These days coronavirus days, and even all the countries, even unknown countries are helping to each other at this time of crisis. But what kind of relation we are having with Pakistan? So shall we start the topic? War and peace with Pakistan. Every time we are having wars, and in between we are having peace treaty with Pakistan. But at conclusion, every country, every people, every politician and all of us are saying that we are not having a peace relation and a friendly relation with Pakistan. Yes, now we will start how. Yes, areas of cooperation. Now just recall the trauma of partition at 1947, and whenever, my dear students, you will you are having a free time, discuss the same partition with your parents, with your grandparents, with your great grandparents. They will disclose you the trauma and the painful separation of the partition of 1947 India and Pakistan. That trauma is still in their minds. Those we have not seen this, but our grandparents and great grandparents have seen that and that trauma is still fresh in their minds. Like what were the areas of cooperation earlier? Like restored the women abducted during the partition of their original families. Abducted means women were kidnapped. Solved the river water disputes and signed India-Pakistan Indus Waters Treaty. ठीक है, so number of treaties we have signed, and still we are having number of war with Pakistan. In the case of Pakistan, the conflict started just after the partition over the dispute of Kashmir. शुरू से लेकर ही कश्मीर को लेकर हमेशा से लड़ाई रही है ना. When the boundaries were decided at 1947, Pakistan want Kashmir, but according to the boundaries in the map, you will see Pakistan lies in the field of in the areas of in the boundaries under the India. So you will read more about the dispute in chapter 8. ठीक है, हम वो chapter 8 पढ़ेंगे, तब आपको clearly it will tell you what kind of issue was Kashmir at the time of partition. So a proxy war broke out. Proxy war क्या होता है? Proxy war means that kind of war where conflict starts between the neighboring country, and proxy war means a war instigated by the major power, जो एक major power ने instigate करी, which does not itself become involved, और वो खुद ही इसमें involve नहीं हुआ, उसको proxy war कह देते हैं, जैसे कि सिर्फ presence होना. So 1947 it was a proxy war over the Kashmir issue. Now I am telling you कि 47 में जो हुआ था, but this did not turn into a full war. ठीक है, ये full war नहीं हुई थी. The issue was then referred to UN. इतना issue बढ़ गया, सॉल्व नहीं हुआ, फिर ये यूनाइटेड नेशन में पहुंचा इशू. पाकिस्तान soon emerged as a critical factor in India's relation with US. and subsequently with China. China के साथ भी उसके रिश्ते बिगड़ गए. So as I told you, the areas of cooperation, the long-term dispute over the sharing of river water was resolved through mediation by the World Bank. World Bank ने फिर interfere किया. The India-Pakistan Indus Waters Treaty was signed by Nehru and General Ayub Khan in 1960. Your 1 mark answer, and this you have to write. Despite all ups and downs in the Indo-Pak relation, the treaty was worked well. और जो मर्जी हुआ, बट वो ट्रीटी इंडस पाक वाली और इंडिया वाली वो चलती रही. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन टू कंट्रीज चलता रहा. In 1965, in April 1965, Pakistan launched armed attacks in Run of Kutch and of Gujarat. गुजरात में Run of Kutch is the name of an area. बेटा कच्छ एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नाम है गुजरात में. वहाँ पर उन्होंने आर्मी लॉन्च कर दी पाकिस्तान में. In September, वो अप्रैल की बात है. सितंबर बिगर ऑफेंसिव इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. हमेशा से ही जम्मू और कश्मीर पे पाकिस्तान की नज़र है, तो फिर उन्होंने सितंबर में वहाँ पर अटैक कर दिया. काउंटर ऑफेंसिव बाय इंडियन आर्मी ऑन द पंजाब बॉर्डर. फिर पंजाब बॉर्डर पर हमने काउंटर ऑफेंसिव किया उनके साथ. इंडियन आर्मी रीच्ड क्लोज टू लाहौर. और फिर ये 1965 की बात है बेटा. whenever you will get time to discuss these things with your grandparents and great grandparents, वो आपको 65 की लड़ाई बताएंगे कि तब क्या हुआ था. and it was a very painful fight, you know. So then what happened, Pakistani rulers were hoping to get support from the local population there, but it did not happen. उनको लगा था कि local parties जरूर वहाँ पर उनका साथ देंगी, but उन्होंने भी इंडिया का साथ दिया. So in order to ease the pressure on Kashmir front, Lal Bahadur Shastri ordered Indian troops to launch a counter-offensive on the Punjab border. In the fierce battle, the Indian army reached close to the Lahore. वो फिर लाहौर के पास पहुंच गई. ये 65 की लड़ाई की बात है. Then hostilities ended after an intervention. Intervention मतलब एक इंटरवल के बाद वो क्या था, ताशकंद एग्रीमेंट हुआ था between लाल बहादुर शास्त्री and अयूब खान. ये क्या था, द हॉस्टिलिटीज कम टू एन एंड विद द यूएन इंटरवेंशन. अब यूएन अगर इंटरफेयर ना करता तो शायद लड़ाई और बढ़ जाती. लेटर इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर लाल बहादुर शास्त्री and Pakistan's General Ayub Khan signed the Tashkent is the name of a place beta, agreement and brokered by Soviet Union in January 1966. Your 1 mark answer. Though India could inflict considerable military loss of Pakistan, the 1965 war added to India's already difficult economic situation. 65 की लड़ाई के बाद इंडिया कह लो कि काफ़ी गरीब हो गया. हम तो पहले ही इकोनॉमिक डिस्पैरिटी में आ गए. So पाश एग्रीमेंट के बाद जो हुआ था शास्त्री जी एंड अयूब खान, then the hostilities ended after the UN intervention. So we have discussed only a short topic today. We have what kind of we are having relation with the Pakistan. So you're only one question, and please highlight the 1 mark point. You will not write 1 mark answers or MCQs like questions. You will only write one question today in your notebook. Briefly describe India's relation of war and peace with Pakistan. And you can also get a hint from page number 74 while writing your answer or elaborating it or making your presentation beautiful. So in my next video we will discuss which kind of relation we are having with Bangladesh. And there are few changes in your syllabus that I will tell you later on. Till now, don't get panic. जितना पढ़ा रही हूँ properly उतना ही पढ़ो, and you have to write all the questions which I am telling you to write. So we will meet in next video with a new topic from the same chapter. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day. Stay home.